Morning, YouTube. Saturday morning. But look at it. It's the fog. It's just like that old movie, The Fog. Yeah, it's pretty chilly. 0 this morning on the nature walk. Nobody's walking again. I don't see anybody. Nobody at all. Let's go look at the river. Yeah, it's pretty foggy. Yeah, a little chilly, little chilly, not that chilly. Not yet. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go take a picture of the river. The Mississippi River. No. Yeah, look at it. Hey. Fog town all over. Yeah, that fog, the fog, the old movie about the fog. John Carpenter's The Fog. I know there's a new one. I don't think I watched the new one. Oh, look at that. See, you can't even, you can see the water. There's a chair here. See how foggy it is? See, you can't, or you can see across right there, you can see the tree line now. But that's fog, holy. Really foggy. Oh, found something already. Yeah, I found something on the ground here. I'm not gonna touch it or anything. Look at that. Somebody's backpack. Yeah, it's just sitting there. No, I'm not gonna touch it or open it. I don't know whose backpack that is, but I'm not gonna touch it. Oh, it's empty. See, it's empty. It's open, it's empty. There's nothing in it. Maybe just somebody switched out their backpack. Got a new one. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Fog City. Can't even see the bridge or anything. Oh yeah, you can't even see across the river. Oh, that's just a shadow. Look at how thick the fog is. It's like pea soup. That's how thick it is. There's me and the fog behind me. See it? Take one more shot of the fog, then keep on walking. Oh, there's a bird down there. Yeah, I'll just keep going. See, you can see the shoreline, but you can't even see across the river there. No. I wonder if people were fishing here. I don't know. They might have been fishing here down there. Hey, there's minnow tins and fish hook things. Some of these socks right here down on the ground. Yeah, I'll keep walking. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty foggy. Oh, I'm gonna switch it. I just say, there. See, you could. I didn't know you could switch it when you're walking, like frontwards, without showing you yourself. And I'm gonna go down the path, and all the fog. Like a scary movie, something's gonna come out of the fog. Yeah, I'll go down the path a little bit. Then I'll switch it back to myself. Can't even see the flag or anything. Yeah. Yeah, there's frost on the grass. Yeah. I'll show you up ahead the frost. See the frost on the grass over there? Okay? It's all frosty. Yeah, frosty. Nothing behind me. I'm gonna switch. Oh, there I am. I was covering it with my hand. See how frosty it is? Could you see my breath? Yeah, that reminded me of that, what's his name? Boogie 2998. Drank my Mountain Dew. Whoops. Could you see my breath? Or let me smell your breath, not let me, you can see my breath. Because somebody drank all his Mountain Dew. Yeah. Just about winter. No, I hope it stays like this. Like this, like I can hear some ducks going by, but I can't see them. It's too foggy, see? And a little chilly. It's nice to get out, but some birds. Then we're coming up to the bridge. There's a little bridge up there. Up there. We're coming up to there. Then we're coming up to the train bridge again. Yeah. There's the fog again. Or the fog, the on the grass. Well, the fog is not bad here, but it's bad behind us. Yeah, switch, see the scenery, see my big head. Yeah, there's the bridge. Bridge is coming up. I'm gonna go over the bridge. I hear little noises. There I go over the bridge. Over the bridge. I don't know. I didn't see no trolls living under the bridge. Let's check this side of the bridge. No, just a bunch of grass. Yeah, no trolls. My rambling, eh? That'll give you a better view. I'll switch it again. I'll switch it, showing what I'm seeing. See, down the path. See, there's a big tower here. See, a wooden tower. Yeah, a power line or something. And there's under the bridge. There, you can see the bridge now. You can see, yeah, the bridge, train bridge. Yeah. Walking down the path in my town. There's a park. Lots of frost still. See? Look how frosty it is. My hands are kind of red. That's how frosty it is. Oh, there's something up here. Right on the ground. Oh. What is it? Oh. Oh, it's a blanket. I think it's a little blanket. Yeah, it's just a tiny little blanket. Keep on walking, man. Under the train bridge. I'm gonna switch it again. There I am. I'm just happy today. I don't know why. But you have to be happy. You can't let things get you down. Mope. Yeah, just be happy. You're still alive. You can still walk. And all that. See, that's how cold it is. My nose is running. Hey, there's the train bridge. And I'm going down that path, that one. That's the start of the train bridge over there. Here I go under the train bridge. Yeah, it looks nice. Nice day today. Oh, I'm gonna pick up a rock this time. Where should I pick it up? I'll pick it up right there. Oh, geez, my foot. I got a rock. Okay, I'm gonna throw it in the underneath the in between the train bridge and the other bridge into the water. See, the water's down there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna throw it. I wonder if it'll reach the water down there. Just watch for it, see if it makes it. Yeah. Oh, sorry. There's some ducks down there. I wonder if you could zoom in. Yeah, there's ducks right there. Right over here somewhere. Yeah, 3 ducks. I don't know if I should go down there. I went down there last week, I think. There was 2, I didn't know if I was going to get up again. I wonder if I should. No, maybe not. But there's right over here somewhere, there's ducks floating around. I don't know if we can see them. I can't go down there today because it's the kind of all the frost and that. I don't want to slip. And I'm alone. If I slip, I might hurt my legs or my feet. Yeah, I hurt my legs and feet lots. Look at the fog. See, you can't even see across the river. No. All foggy. Here, I'll switch. There. Oh, see behind me? Oh, see that sun? Oh, that's beautiful. See it coming out there? The sun just peeking out in the fog and the mist. Oh, that's a nice shot. Let's see. Right there. It's nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful nature shot. Pure nature. Sun, the clouds, the fog, and lots of leaves falling. Make kind of a loud noise sometimes, just a leaf falling. I'll have to look around. See? And there's the river. See the fog? Oh, looks beautiful, but I think it looks beautiful. Yeah. Keep walking. What's this? Somebody left a pump. Yeah, just a long pump. Stuck it in a tree. It's kind of weird. No. It's okay. Maybe somebody will come and see it and find it and take it home. Yeah, it's nice. See, there's the river still. You can barely see across. Yeah, barely see across. Yeah. Oh, I think that's going to be the end of my video for my walk today. Saturday morning walk. See, that's where it came from. That's where I'm going. And there's a nice view of the river, or the fog too. That's where I'm going. Alright. Bye everybody. Everybody have a good rest of Saturday. Bye.